an unboxing of the LXT brushless 18-volt lithium-ion brushless blower, tool only, XBU03Z. So no chargers, no batteries. And you can see what's here. You got the typical information on the box. I don't know, maybe you call this environmentally friendly packaging because they have done no more than needs to be to put this together. So here's the nozzle, the tube that goes to the end. You have the actual unit. I think every one of their tools comes with one of these tool maps. Instructions, I won't use, a warranty card. And there's a little hex key. I believe that is it. It says 60 dBA. I guess this one comes with the jet engine. So this is literally just a plastic tube. It will attach like that once I unscrew these screws and put that in place. But basically, you get the idea.